Hello everyone, I am K. Yogeshwar, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how to integrate a function which is not in standard form functions to convert it into standard form. We have used integration by substitution method, right? In the substitution method, we have discussed different types of subtypes in that. Okay. In this session also, let us discuss one more subtopic in the integration by substitution method. That is integration by trigonometric substitution method. Integration by trigonometric substitution. That means we have to apply trigonometric functions. We have to substitute trigonometric functions. Okay. So let us in this method we have to derive some formulas, standard formulas. Okay. So let us derive those formulas. Let us take first problem here. Integral dx by a square plus x square. That is our first problem. Integral dx by a square plus x square is the first problem. See, we have to integrate this function. Integral of 1 by a square plus x square into dx is the function. Okay. So, to integrate this type, integration of 1 by a square plus x square is not in any standard form, right? Okay. In the trigonometry, so in the differentiation, we have formula for integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Sorry, differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x square. That is nothing but we can write it as tan inverse of x in the differentiation. Okay, that is differentiation of 1 by 1 plus x square, or differentiation of tan inverse of x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square, right? But here we have a square plus x square. Here we have a square plus x square. So to derive this, we have to substitute one. That is, here a is equals to, let us take a equals to x into tan theta. We have to substitute a equal to x into tan theta. Okay, because why we are substituting in place of a? Because we have formula for 1 plus x square, tan inverse of x. Okay, that is the formula in terms of tan. So we have to substitute tan here. We are changing the variable x to theta. So substitute a equal to x into tan theta. Okay. Here we have dx. Okay. Here we have dx. Sorry. Do one thing. Let us substitute x value. Let us take x value. Let x equal to a into tan theta. Substitute x equal to a into tan theta. So differentiate on both sides. So you will get dx equals to a into differentiation of tan theta is what? Secant square theta. Secant square theta into d theta. That is dx value. Okay. So substitute these two values in the given function here. So you will get integral dx by a square plus x square. We can write it as integral dx value. What is dx value? A into secant square theta into d theta by, here write a square as is, plus x square. X value is what? A into tan theta. So you will get a square into tan square theta. Okay. In the denominator, we have a square as common. So let us take a square common from the denominator. So what you will get? 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Here we can cancel one a. So you will get integral secant square theta by 1 plus tan square theta into d theta, and we have here extra a, so a into 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. In the numerator we have secant square theta. In the denominator we have 1 plus tan square theta. So if you observe the denominator 1 plus tan square theta, we can write this 1 plus tan square theta as secant square theta by using this relation. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to what? 1. From that, secant square theta is equals to what? 1 plus tan square theta. So by using this relation, so use this relation here. So integral secant square theta by a into 1 plus tan square theta value is what? Secant square theta. Okay, here secant square theta and secant square theta cancel. Here we have d theta, so write d theta. And here a is a constant, it is in the denominator, so 1 by a. So write a constant outside, that is 1 by a integral. What will you get here? 1 into d theta. So 1 by a into integral 1 into d theta. So what is integration of 1 into d theta? 1 by a into integration of 1 into d theta. We are integrating with respect to theta. So what you will get? You will get theta only. So 1 by a into theta we got that. Okay. But here we can write this theta value. We can write this theta value as here. What we have x equal to what? A tan theta, right? Here we know that x equal to a tan theta. Okay. Then from this find theta value. Take this a to LHS. Okay. Take this a to LHS. So you will get x by a is equals to tan theta. From that we can write theta value as tan inverse of x by a. So that is theta value. Okay. Now substitute theta value here. Okay. Substitute theta value. So you will get do one thing. So consider it as equation number 1. Okay. Theta value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes what? 1 by a into theta. What is theta? Tan inverse of x by a. So which value it is? So it is dx by x square plus a square value is what? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Okay. So dx by x square plus a square value is what? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So this can be used as a formula. Okay. Remember this formula. Integral dx by x square plus a square is what? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Actually, integral of 1 by 1 plus a square we have formula, or 1 by 1 plus x square we have formula. That is tan inverse of x by a. Here we have x by a term, so we will get 1 by a here. Okay. So integration of dx by x square plus a square is what? 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Okay. Remember it as a formula. Right. So this is the way of substituting trigonometric functions. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Let us see next problem. Integral dx by square root of a square minus x square. Integration dx by square root of a square minus x square. Okay. Here we have formula for integral 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. What is the formula? Sin inverse of x by a is the formula. Sin inverse of x by a is the formula. But here in place of a, in place of a we have 1. Okay. So which value we have to substitute here? Let x is equal to a into sin theta we have to substitute. Okay. So let x equal to a into sin theta, and then substitute here. Let dx by under root of a square minus x square, a square into sin square theta. Okay. Then here we have dx is there, so we have to substitute dx value also. So x equal to what? A into sin theta. So differentiate on both sides. So what do we get? Dx equal to a into differentiation of sin theta is what? Cos theta into d theta. So we got dx value. So substitute dx value here. So dx value will be what? A into cos theta d theta. Substitute here. A into cos theta d theta square. Okay. Then integral a into cos theta d theta by here take a square common. So what will you get? 1 minus sin square theta square root. Then a into cos theta d theta. Here write this a square outside from the square root. So if you write square root outside, what will you get? The square root cancel. So you will get only a into square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. Right? Here square root get cancelled. A and a get cancelled. So what will you get? Integral cos theta by, in the denominator also you will get cos theta only. Okay? So cos and cos get cancelled. Again you will get 1 into d theta. So 1 into d theta is nothing but theta. Right? Then next, we know that x equal to what? X equal to a into sin theta. From this we have to find theta value. Okay, so what is theta value? Take x, so take a to LHS, so you will get sin theta. Then from this what is theta value? Theta equals to, we can write it as so we can write that theta value as theta equal to sin inverse of x by a. Okay, so theta equal to what? Sin inverse of x by a. Consider it as equation number 1. Which value it is? Dx by square root of a square minus x square value. So substitute in equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So 1 implies integral dx by square root of a square minus x square is equals to what we got? Theta. So theta is nothing but what? Sin inverse of x by. Therefore, integral dx by square root of a square minus x square formula is what? Sin inverse of x by a is the formula. Okay, so we have to remember it as a formula. Okay, so that is second formula. That is integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square is what? Sin inverse of x by a is the second formula. Right? Let's see one more problem. Integral dx by square root of a square plus x square. Integral dx by square root of a square plus x square. Here it is in the form of 1 by under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. Right? What is the formula? What is the formula? Sin h inverse of x by a is the formula. So here we have to substitute x equal to a into sin h theta, we have to substitute. Okay, so substitute x equal to a into sin h theta and substitute here. Then solve this problem similar to previous two problems. Okay, so solve it. Then fourth one, integral dx by square root of x square minus a square. Integral dx by square root of x square minus a square. So here, which is in the form of 1 by square root of x square minus 1. 1 by square root of x square minus 1. So what is the formula? What is the formula? Cos h inverse of x by a is the formula. Right? Cos h inverse of x by a is the formula. So to solve this, we have to substitute x equal to a into cos h theta. Substitute x equal to a into cos h theta and solve the problem similarly. Right? And next one. Let's see next one. Square integration of under root of a square minus x square into dx. We have to solve this one. Integration under root of a square minus x square into dx. It is also similar to integration of under root of 1 minus x square formula. Right? 1 minus x square is nothing but what? Sin theta only. In place of 1 we have a. So we have to take x equal to, let x equal to a into sin theta. Let x equal to a into sin theta. Then substitute here. Square root of a square minus x square. And here before that, let us differentiate this one. So dx equal to a into differentiation of sin theta is what? Cos theta into d theta. That is dx value. Okay. Then here x square. So x square is nothing but what? Here a square sin square theta into dx. What is dx value? A into cos theta d theta. Right? Then simplify integral of, take a square common. If you take a square common, what you will get? 1 minus sin square theta into a into cos theta d theta. Right, here write this a square outside, that is square root of a square. Square root of a square is nothing but what? A. So write this a outside. Then square root of 1 minus sin square theta. We can write it as cos square theta. Okay, into a into cos theta d theta. Here a and a, we have a square. So write a square outside. Then integral. Here square root get cancelled. We got cos theta. Here one more cos theta we have. So cos theta into d theta. Right? Now cos theta into cos theta, you will get cos square theta. Right? So we can write a square into integration of cos square theta into d theta. So a square integration of cos square theta value. What is cos square theta? So cos square theta is what? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Okay. Then a square. Apply integration individually. So write this a square outside. So first integration of 1 by 2 into d theta you will get, plus integration of second one cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Then here write a square, multiply with a square and make it separate. So first a square into 1 by 2. Write a square by 2 outside. You will get 1 into d theta plus a square into here by 2. So you will get a square by 2 again plus a square by 2 integral cos 2 theta into d theta. Okay. Then a square by 2 integral 1 into d theta is what? Theta plus a square by 2 into integration of cos theta. And integration of cos theta is sin theta. We have cos 2 theta. So you will get sin 2 theta by 2. Okay. Next, here theta we have. So what is theta? We know that here we know that x equal to a into sin theta. Okay. From that x by a equal to sin theta. Then theta equals to what? Sin inverse of x by a. Theta equal to sin inverse of x by a. Now do one thing. Keep this total value in the bracket. Okay. Then substitute theta value here. Substitute theta value in the first one. So you get a square by 2 into theta. So theta value is what? Sin inverse of x by a. Plus here we have a square by 2 into, we have sin 2 theta here. We have formula for sin 2 theta, right? So substitute sin 2 theta value here. 2 sin theta into cos theta by 2. Okay, here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So you will get a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus again a square by 2 into sin theta cos theta. Okay, next let us simplify this sin theta and cos theta value here. So how to simplify this sin theta and cos theta? See here, right, a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a as is, plus here we have a square by 2 into sin theta and cos theta. Okay, see here, we know that x equal to what? A into sin theta. From that, what is sin theta value? X by a. Okay, so substitute sin theta by 2 here. So you will get a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into sin theta value is what? X by a into we have cos theta. We don't have value for cos theta, right? We know that sin theta value is x by a. So can we write this cos theta in terms of sines? Yes. How? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is what? 1. From that, cos square theta is what? 1 minus sin square theta, but we need only cos theta. So from that, cos theta is what? Square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So that is the value of cos theta. So let us use this relation here. So you will get a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into x by a into square root of cos theta. We can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, then next, write a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into x by a into square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta value is x by a. So sin square theta we have. So we can write it as x square by a square. How we are writing? Sin theta is x by a. Then sin square theta is what? X square by a square. Okay. Then a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus here. Let us cancel a. So we get a into x by 2. Then take LCM here. 1 and a square LCM. A square is LCM. So you get a square minus x square. So a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus a into x by 2. Here square root of a square is there. So write this a square from square root. So you can write it as 1 by a into under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. Then not x square, here we have a square. So a square minus x square. Just we are writing this denominator a square outside. So you get 1 by a. A and a get cancelled. So here what you got? X by 2 into under root of x square minus a square right here. X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus this a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Okay, so that is integral of given function. What is the given function here? What is the given function? That is integral under root of a square minus x square into dx. So it is a formula. We can use this as a formula. Okay. So remember, integral of under root of a square minus x square into dx formula is what? X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Important formulas these are. Okay. So remember, a square minus x square. Remember like this, a square minus x square. That is nothing but 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square formula is what? Sin inverse of x by a. That is sin inverse of x only. So like that we have to remember. This is common for all the formulas. Okay. Let us see one more problem so that you can clear that. Integral under root of a square plus x square into dx. Integral under root of a square plus x square into dx is the next one. Okay. So to solve this problem, here 1 plus x square is the formula for what? Sin h inverse of h by a. Okay. So here we have to substitute. Let x equal to a into sin h theta. For this problem we have substituted a equals to x equal to a sin theta only. But here we have to substitute x equal to a into sin h theta. We have to substitute sin h theta. Okay. Then dx equal to a into sin h theta. Differentiation of sin h theta is what? Cos h theta into d theta. Then substitute here. So integral of a square plus x square is nothing but a square sin square h theta into dx. Dx is what? A into cos h theta into d theta. Here, take a square common right outside. So you will get a into 1 plus sin h square theta into here a into cos h theta d theta. Okay. Here a and a will get a square. So write that a square outside. Square root of 1 plus sin h square theta. We can write it as cos h square theta. Square root get cancelled. So you will get only cos h theta. So here cos h theta you will get. Okay. Then again we have cos h theta here. So cos h theta into d theta. Cos h theta, cos h theta. You will get cos square h theta into d theta. Again formula. What is the formula? A square integration of cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, right? So cos square h theta is what? 1 plus cos h2 theta by 2 into d theta. Then write this 2 outside. So a square by 2 integral of, make it separate, 1 into d theta plus integral of cos h2 into d theta. Then integral of 1 into theta is what? So a square by 2 multiply with a square by 2 here. A square by 2 into first term. Integration of, or right, a square by 2 whole bracket. Integral of 1 into d theta is what? Theta plus integration of cos h2 theta is what? Sin h2 theta by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay. For previous problem also write plus c. We forgot to write constant of integration. So write plus c. Then we know that here a square by 2 into theta with d theta we have. So from our assumption x equal to what? A into sin h theta. Okay. We know that x equal to a into sin h theta. From that, how can we write this d theta? So write this x out, a outside. So x by a into sin h theta. Then theta equal to sin h inverse of x by a. So that is theta. Okay. Then substitute here. So first a square by 2 multiply with here a square by 2 into theta. So a square by 2 into theta plus a square by 2 into the next one. So a square by 4 into sin h2 theta plus c. Now substitute the values. So a square by 2 into theta. The theta value is what? Sin h inverse of x by a plus a square by 4 into sin h2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin h2 theta is what? 2 sin h2 theta cos h2 theta plus constant of integration is c. Okay. Then next one here a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus here 2 1s 2 2's cancel. So you will get a square by 2 into sin h theta and cos h theta plus okay. We know that sin h theta value is x by a, so substitute here. So a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into sin h theta value is what? X by a and cos h theta plus c. Okay, then we can write this cos h theta as, so write a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus, here a and a get cancelled. Okay, so you will get a into x by 2, here cos h theta value. So how can we write cos h theta? Under root of 1 minus sin square h theta plus constant of integration. So a square by 2 sin h inverse of x by a plus ax by 2 square root of 1 minus sin h theta value is what? X by a. So x square by a square plus c. Then simplify. So simplify. If we simplify, what do we get? So if we simplify it, you will get a square by 2 sin h inverse of x by a plus ax by 2 square root of 1 minus x square by a square is there. So take LCM. We can write it as a square and x square minus a square plus c. Then write this a outside, that is square root of a square outside, you will get a only. Then a and a you will get cancelled. So what will you get finally? X by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus this a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a, sin h inverse of x by a plus c. So that is the integral of a given function. Okay, and one more we have, solve the problem. Okay, this is the formula of what? Integral of, so sorry, here you will get a square plus x square, just change it. Formula is under the 1 plus sin h square theta. So a square plus x square you will get. Change the formula. Then this is the formula of what? Under root of a square plus x square into dx formula. What is the formula? X by 2 into under root of a square plus x square